Hi, I am so pissed off. I cracked my screen really bad, see, on my iPhone. My husband bought it for my birthday, probably like a year and a half ago, so he's gonna flip when he comes out of jail. But right now, what I'm eating are rice cakes. They're the multigrain ones with, well, this is supposed to be kind of like Nutella. I love Nutella. And this is 2 for $5, 2 jars for $5, and it's just called Armelia hazelnut cream with cocoa, and it's like the same thing but like a little bit cheaper. And I just dip the rice cake in and just like take a huge chunk. So good. I'm telling you, try it. Great snack. Right, hold on. It's a great snack. Rice cakes and Nutella. Yay!